Salam Hamiyun Shabir, great to see you again. That Python numeric types quiz was on point. What's our small win for today? Shall we dive into some practice or something else? Done. Code Lab is clear and Hello World is ready for you. Want to try running it or maybe change the message a bit? Great. So, Hamayun, why do you think print has to be written like that with the parentheses and quotes inside? What do they do? बिल्कुल मैं बताता हूँ. Think of print like a function that needs information to work. The parentheses are like a container to hold that info, and the quotes tell Python to treat the text inside as, well, just text, not code. समझे? Make sense or should I explain it another way? Bilkul Humayun, I have added some examples on CodeLab. You'll see simple adding with numbers and how to join separate words using quotes. कुछ specific try करना है or should we keep exploring? You got it, Humayun. Added a basic if-else check and a simple for loop on CodeLab. Can you spot how the indentation works for those? That's pretty important in Python. How about list comprehensions? They're a very Pythonic way to create new lists from existing ones, all in a single line. Check the example I just added. What do you think it'll output? Acha, they've all been moved over to the CodeLab editor now. You can see the list comprehension example there, neat and clean. What do you think the output will be when that runs? Give it a glance. Oh, sorry about that. My mistake. CodeLab is cleared now and just the list comprehension example is in there. Can you see it properly now? Perfect. Now try running it. What does it output? Or if you prefer, let's try writing a simple one together. Acha ji, no problem at all. It was great practicing with you. Feel free to reach out whenever you're ready for the next one. Goodbye for now. Take care.